Do you show everybody your snowman? Let's chill. And your socks from Nana that say, I love Santa. Oh, yes you do. Smile for Daddy. Smile for Daddy. Say Happy New Year. And happy birthday, Nana. Say it. Can I sit him up? Like this better? Oh, you're not being very cheerful for New Year's or Nana's birthday. You want to stand up for everybody? Show everybody how strong you are and you can stand. Yeah. You gonna walk? Oh, look, he's inching forward. You dancing? Oh, that's... Oh. Daddy, are you getting this? That's a burp to be proud of.
Eric, you are a true milkaholic.